Hurricane Melissa is currently a 175 mile an hour Category 5 major hurricane that is expected to make landfall in Jamaica within the next 24 hours. Here's the code from the National Hurricane Center. You can see Melissa is expected to track directly north and make landfall in Jamaica. Currently, the National Hurricane Center has this making landfall as a Category 4 hurricane. However, it is totally possible that this storm makes landfall as a Category 5 here in the next 24 hours. We are continuing to see Melissa shift off to the west, which is going to bring more impacts towards the west side of the island. If there are any positives with this system, the fact that it has rapidly intensified means that the hurricane force wind field is only 50 miles across. And so luckily, those areas with hurricane force winds, and especially the major hurricane force winds, are very narrow. The next thing I want to look at, and the final thing I want to look at with Melissa right now, is the rainfall forecast. We see some areas are expecting 20 to 30 inches of rain right now. That is plenty of water, and enough water to cause major landslides, to cause major flooding. And so even if the hurricane force winds don't impact you directly, we're going to have major flooding across the areas. And even with this, we have storm surge potentials across these coastal cities, which will cause even more flooding. And so if you are on the island of Jamaica, or if you're in Cuba, or if you know anybody that is, make sure to tell them to stay safe and to hunker down, because this is going to be very rough for these islands.